Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will not be doing a cooking demo, but I will be sharing some new ingredients that I recently got to use in my kitchen. So I recently got my package from Bedessee Import. You guys know I love using their ingredients. A lot of them are very high quality products and just overall good stuff to use in your cooking. So I recently got my package, I opened it up and I have it all sitting behind me. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I got, and I'm gonna give you guys some ideas of what you could use these ingredients in and what I'm gonna use them in. So just be prepared for some new and awesome recipes to come. Now on orders over $35, you will get free shipping. And on top of that, if you wanted to use my coupon code and save 15%, feel free to do that as well. It is MGC15. So that will be right here, and it'll also be down in the description box for you guys to shop their products. So let's get into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I got and what I'm going to do with them. So as you guys can see, it's quite a good amount of products that we have here. So I'm just going to go through the line and show you guys exactly what we got. So what we have here is the chow mein noodles. You guys know I love making all kinds of different type of chow mein. So this chow mein that they sent me is not the traditional rounder shaped chow mein. This one's like the flatter version. I asked them to send me this one just because I haven't done many recipes showing how this one looks. I really like how this one cooks and the way that it soaks up the flavors of the ingredients as well. So there's going to be a few recipes coming out with that. I also have the cream soda. Now, besides drinking a nice cold cream soda, there are so many different things that you can do with it. So just be on the lookout. I'll be sharing a few recipes, especially around the holidays for that. And of course, I have their spices. I love using all of their spices. If you see in a lot of my videos, right down to the masala and the curry powder, that is what I use in a lot of my videos. So some of the spices that I got are the star anise. I got some nutmeg. I have some cardamom seeds, some cumin. I have the dried ginger. This dried ginger is something that I'm going to be using for a ginger beer recipe around the holidays, so be on the lookout for that. I also have some mustard seeds, some methi or fenugreek seeds, coriander seeds, turmeric, as well as mangryle. All of these things are what we're going to be using to make a masala. My aunts and I already did a recipe for you guys a while ago on the channel, but we're going to revamp it and do it a little bit differently. And we also have this Demerara cane sugar. This is my favorite sugar to use whenever baking sponge cakes or black cakes or anything of that sort. And of course, we have the Bird's custard powder. This is the only type of custard powder that I use. This is what I add into my mithai to make it melt in your mouth and really, really soft. You could also add these into cakes. You could add them into cookies. And you can also use it to make ice block or custard block. And I have that recipe on my channel already. It'll be linked right up here in the right-hand corner. And this right here is 5-rose flour. Any Guyanese person should know what 5-rose flour is. It's a regular all-purpose flour, and honestly it makes the softest rotis that you will ever try. So I'll probably update my roti recipe maybe, so be on the lookout for that, or maybe some other type of flatbread, and I'll use this 5-rose flour to do it with. This right here is the guava jelly, the Brown Betty guava jelly. And if I'm not mistaken, this is one of their newer products. I've tried it before already and I asked them to send it to me again. I'm going to do a few recipes with this. And honestly, if you didn't want to cook with this, all you have to do is slather it in between some crackers or on a piece of toasted bread and you're good to go. And also here, they sent me a bottle of ghee. As you guys know, all of the different Hindu holidays are coming up throughout the rest of the year. So you have Diwali, you have Navratri. So I'm going to be sharing some new updated recipes for some sweets and some other things like that. So the ghee will come in handy. And besides that, I have a can of the sweet jackfruit. This right here, we can go ahead and use in a few other things. If you guys remember a while ago, I made a jackfruit chow on my channel. So that was really, really good. I'll try to work and experiment and make some new things with this. And besides that, we also have some dried chickpeas. A lot of you guys have been asking for some more vegetarian recipes and, you know, simple Guyanese recipes such as chana curry or just boiled and fried chana, like sauteed chickpeas. I haven't shared those yet. So this right here is what I can go ahead and do that with. And I have some rice flour. This will make a lot of gluten-free recipes. And this right here is my new favorite type of rice, the parboiled basmati rice. Now, in my opinion, regular parboiled rice is just a little too heavy for me to enjoy. Yeah, so this rice honestly is not as heavy as the regular parboiled rice. It's nice and loose and it's light. So this right here I'll use in some more recipes. If you guys were following along, I did a chicken biryani recipe with this already. So this right here I'll revamp and use to make something else with. And the last thing I wanted to show you guys is the different milks that they sent. So honestly, their condensed milk and their evaporated milk are really good. So I have the condensed milk over there and the evaporated milk over here. So As you guys can see, there will be a lot of dessert recipes, a lot of savory recipes, vegetarian recipes that will be to come on my channel soon. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed that quick little video just to show you guys exactly what I got in my box from Bedessee Imports. Again, if you want to shop any of these ingredients, they'll be over at buyeasy.com. It's your one-stop shop for all of your West Indian and Caribbean products. So go ahead and check them out. Again, down in the description box below, I'll have the coupon code and all of that so you can save a little money as you're buying all of your ingredients. So I hope you enjoyed. Please go ahead and give this video a nice big thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet. Make sure you're clicking that little notification icon so this way you'll be notified every time I post my newest videos. And of course, keep leaving those awesome comments down below and let me know what you guys would like me to cook up next. I'll see you guys again very soon. Bye everyone.